Appreciate it. Have a good one. Ooh, Chad, look at this. Definitely gonna try it. Definitely give y'all a review. Yo, YouTube, you already know who it is. Don't need to introduce myself, but that I'm in downtown right now. I just got out of a job experience, job shadow with the radio producer for the Cleveland Cavaliers. If you guys don't know who it is, his name is Kurt McLaughlin. If you want to check him out, go ahead. I just got out. It was a great experience. I had the best time of my life, learned a lot, gained a lot of experience, and took away some cool takeaways, you know what I'm saying? But the person who ran it, her name's Cheryl. They gave me some cool souvenirs. I got a couple shirts, some goodies. I don't know if I'm going to do a POV today. I'm not going to lie. My day started really, really early. So I woke up at like 8. I had to get a little trim today. So, honestly, I'm not going to do a POV drive. I'm going to do that tomorrow. Hey, if you're new, make sure you guys subscribe at theOnlycarter. We're on the come up to 10K subscribers, man. All right, so first thing we start off, my boy Kurt gifted me this. Y'all see this? We beat Detroit, you know what I'm saying, man? Hey, Cleveland, this was, what was it? Oh yeah, it was the Eastern Conference with the Knicks. Unfortunately, we did get, our butt kicked, 4-0, belt to ass, but it's cool. Another one, we got Game 3 with the Knicks. So yeah, got that. And then I think I got a towel. I think he gave me like some type of towel thing. So cool little thing. And then lastly, I got this this bag, and it comes with like a bobblehead and the cool other stuff. But hey, man, I'm just blessed that I was able to be in this position. Chad, I'm gonna let y'all know one thing about getting into the sports industry or just in industries in general. Whatever type of position you want to do, even if it's like a BS position, like they want you to be a sales manager or work at the popcorn, bro, just get your foot in the door. It's a great way, man. It's really a great way. It's a great way to get your foot in the door because the job market is terrible right now. If anything, just apply to jobs. Keep doing that. Even though people say no, hey, bro, something's gonna happen one day. Just be thankful and stay blessed. You know what I'm saying? Life is good, man. Life is good. Hey, YouTube. How we doing today? Welcome back to another video with theOnlycarter. And today is day 30. I know I have been slacking. It's been 3 days since I uploaded. Yesterday I was a little busy. The other day I'm like, I want to make this a good video. So today's video, we are going to this new place. It's called 7 Brew. I've never been there. I heard it's like a Starbucks but better from people. So we're gonna check it out. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. I'm about to get on the highway, just cruise. Hopefully there's no cut up. No, you already know me. If there's someone moving, then I'm gonna tail right behind them. But I've been great, y'all. Mirror caps came in 3 days ago. There goes a motorcycle. I don't know if I'll be able to catch up with him, but today's Sunday. Happy Sunday, y'all. Start of a new week. And happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Seriously. I'm not letting this person get in front of me. But yeah, when I get home, probably edit this video, get this ready by 5 p.m. If I can't get it done by 5 p.m., I'll get it done by 6. But I'm gonna be installing the mirror caps today, so I'm gonna see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. It's gonna come out sweet, bro. Glossy black mirror caps. Dude, this guy's... It's always the Corolla drivers. But yup. So I'm just gonna be chilling, I ain't gonna be really talking for real, cause I'm tired. I just woke up an hour ago. Sheesh, can't even speak. I was like in a deep coma, but I'm like, you know what? Gotta get a video out. There was it wasn't a cars and coffee event. It was like a burnout competition, but it was in like trench. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna go over there. And it started already 56 minutes ago, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Yeah. But if it's not cars and coffee, I'm not going. So I'd rather go to the nicer location. I'm not trying to go to like the hood, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with it, but I'm not trying to lose my life today. The people over there are savages. I'm cool. Also, the job shadow went nice with the radio producer, Kurt McLaughlin, cast producer. He's chill, good dude. He loves sports. He knows how to do his job well. I was able to do a test correlation, record something, and I was able to cut different segments. So that was pretty cool. I just got to talk to the head person. Her name's Cheryl. I'm going to probably email her on Monday, see if I can come back or we can work something out. 'Cause I really enjoy my time. He put me in positions where I didn't think I would be able to get into. He sent me some applications and I could just refer him. So hopefully that goes well. And in the beginning of the video, I'll show you guys, I got some souvenirs from Cheryl. So yeah, this past week from Thursday all the way to now was great. Cutting, I probably won't be able to catch up. Oh y'all, I just opened up this collectible card. Y'all don't know who Takashi Murakami is, y'all need to check it out. It's a cherry tree. It's cool. I still have another one, but look at the artwork on this. It's like a Pokemon card, but Murakami. Let's see if we can catch up. Come on, gang. Catch up, bro. I literally told him that I got him on live. Honestly, he looked confused. They have like so many different flavors. They have milkshakes, they have not slushies, ices, coffee, and like 7 Brew. So honestly, I'm gonna check it out. I'll probably go in the drive-thru. I do not feel like going in, and I do not feel like talking to people. People coming up to me talking. I'm straight. We good. So it looks like everybody wants to go to the same speed. Brew coffee, bull. Let's see what they working with. I don't know who she was staring at. Please tell me I don't have to go in. Oh, it's over there, okay. Oh, I've seen this place before. Oh my God, this drive-thru is OC. Dang, people really like this place. And she wasn't right. She wasn't wrong. Oh! Let's try it. 7 Brew coffee.
Hello, welcome to 7 Brew. What's a good phone number for you?
216-278-1646. I'm actually new here. I've never been here.
Okay. Do you know like what you're looking for?
Yeah, I'm used to like Starbucks, and I'm used to like a mocha cookie crumble. What do you?
Mocha cookie crumble. We can do a. You get that as a frappuccino?
Huh?
You get that iced or as a frappuccino?
Oh, frappuccino.
We can do a cookies and cream mocha chiller. That's kind of like a similar thing. We just don't do like the. Okay, we just don't do like the cookie pieces add-ins.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Do you want a small, medium, or large?
I'll do a medium. And honestly, is this place better than Starbucks?
I think our coffee is better than Starbucks because we use I used to work at Starbucks, and I think the espresso quality we use here is like way better.
Okay.
But I think in terms of syrups, Starbucks may be better.
Okay. Cause I'm a Starbucks fiend, but somebody told me about this place, so I'm gonna try it out.
I think if you like, oh maybe that's not true. I was gonna say if you like coffee, you might like it here, but also our sweet drinks are really sweet, so maybe not.
Okay, I'll probably try. I'll come back to do the sweet drinks.
Did you want whipped cream on that?
Yes, ma'am. All right, chat. We got something like a cookies and cream, so hopefully, I'm trusting that lady. I'm trusting her. When she seen the camera, looked like she got a little nervous.
That chiller for you.
Appreciate it. Have a good one. Ooh, chat, look at this. Definitely gonna try it. Definitely give y'all a review. The one thing the lady says, they don't add the cookie topping, which is fine. So let's get it, chat. It's sweet. It doesn't taste that bad. It actually tastes pretty good. Honestly, I give this like probably like a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I definitely give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'm going over here. Yeah, it tastes good. It's a little sweet though, to my liking. But hey, chat, I'm gonna get this video out. This video gonna be pretty good. It was basically a little chill POV cruise, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. But I'm very excited to put the mirror caps on. I'm gonna probably put the mirror caps on today because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I was gonna wash my car, but I was supposed to do that a long time ago. See, this is what the drink look like. You know what I'm saying? It's a great drink. Happy Sunday, y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all again probably this Wednesday, because day 30 marathon is over, even though I didn't stay consistent with the last video. But you guys understand. These next videos are gonna be pretty good. I just need to really think about what type of videos I want to do, you know what I'm saying? All right, chat, I love y'all. I'll see y'all again soon. Make sure you guys subscribe. We out. Day 30 is over, chat.